Welcome to the advanced guide to Revolut Add Currency, where you will learn how to easily and efficiently manage multiple currencies within your Revolut account. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account, which you can set up by downloading the Revolut app and following the registration process. Once your account is set up, you can add multiple currencies to your account, allowing you to hold, exchange, and transfer funds in different currencies. The first step in adding a currency to your Revolut account is to open the Revolut app and navigate to the Accounts tab. From there, you will see a list of all the currencies you currently hold, as well as an option to add a new currency. To add a new currency, simply click on the Add Currency option and select the currency you wish to add from the list of available currencies. Revolut supports over 150 currencies, so you are likely to find the currency you need. Once you have selected the currency you wish to add, you will be prompted to exchange some of your existing balance into the new currency or add a new card to fund the account. You can also choose to add money to your account using a bank transfer or other payment methods. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is the ability to exchange currencies at competitive rates, with no hidden fees. When exchanging currencies, you will see the current exchange rate and any applicable fees before you make the exchange, so you can make informed decisions about your money. In addition to holding and exchanging currencies, you can also use your Revolut account to send and receive money in multiple currencies. This makes it an ideal solution for individuals who travel frequently or do business internationally. To send money in a different currency, simply navigate to the Payments tab, select the currency you wish to send, and enter the recipient's details. You can also use the Revolut app to request money from friends or family members in different currencies. Best practices for managing multiple currencies in your Revolut account include regularly reviewing your account balances and exchange rates, setting up alerts to notify you of any changes in exchange rates, and taking advantage of competitive exchange rates to get the most value from your money. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and efficiently manage multiple currencies within your Revolut account, making it an ideal solution for anyone who needs to manage money across borders. With its competitive exchange rates, low fees, and user-friendly interface, Revolut is the perfect tool for taking control of your international finances.